My name is David. Thank you for clicking on the link regarding the eBUS system. Now is a great time to have an additional income stream, especially with COVID-19 and the jobs which are going to be lost as a result when the furlough scheme ends. So now is a good time to start your online business, just in case. Have you ever tried with e-commerce before and not made money? So now's your chance to use this new eBay underground system, which the platform never competes with you. Helps to advertise your product and actually promotes you as a newbie seller to get more buyers. Join the eBay world with 180 million buyers and realise your e-commerce dreams today. Minimal investment with little work and barely any risk. And there's more. We research the uploaded products for you. DFI listing process will save you hours and help you get the sales fast. So please click on the link to watch the further videos and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.